8 years na rin po. Kasi yun yung nakahiligan ko eh. Parang dati ano lang kami, yung ni Papa ko kunyaring suntukan lang, tapos yun, nagustuhan, naging passion. Mahirap siya, kailangan disiplinado ka, kailangan mong gumising ng maaga, laging nasa kondisyon dapat kasi araw-araw ang training, focus sa training para gumaling. Papakita ko lahat ng makakaya ko, lahat ng pinaghirapan ko mamaya. Shoutout pala sa mga taga Malasiki, kay lola ko, sa mga tumulong at sumusuporta sa akin, sa family ko, at kay Mayor Noel Heslani at sa mga councilors sa bayan ng Malasiki. Salamat dahil walang sawang sumusuporta sila magmula nung umpisa.
木戸口健信24歳、美佐子ジム所属です。12年くらいです。とてもハードだと思います。日本の環境がとてもいいので、いいボクサーがたくさんいると思います。このような大きな会場で試合ができること、とても光栄ですし、チャンピオンになることです。
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner, Roderick Ballesteros. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenshin Hitozuki.
バック2回でいいよ。広い方行けよ。当たんなくていいから。そう。ナイス。ボリ。はい、ガードしか。胸張って。はい、ジャンプ先。そう。フェイントでプレッシャーかけ。しっかり見ろ。剣士くれよ。そう、ボリ。回した。ナイス。右足しっかり、右足バック。
Huwag ka manggigil. Jab sa taas, jab sa baba. Jab straight. Huwag ka manggigil. Kaliwa kanan ng yukuan mo. Nice! Okay! Wow! Relax lang!
ワンツーでいい。ほら次出て。ワンツー。そうもう一回ワンツー。そうもう一回次。
After 6 rounds of boxing, we have a split throw.
Next week on Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow.
what you like about Pantaleon is hindi siya nagmamadali dito, no? He's taking his sweet time. Again, almost bumagsak si... That's it. That's another knockdown. Pangantao.
3, 4, 5.
That's knockdown number 4. I don't think he's any condition to continue. And, you know, and Pantaleon, he's just looking for a knockout. He's coming on strong. Ito, binabanata niya si Pangantao. But Pangantao is looking to load up. He's not retreating. Pangantao, and they stop it. They stop the fight. And that's a wise decision. On the second knockdown, sabi ni referee Tomeldan, tama na. Look at those killer blows coming from Pantaleon, bringing down his opponent. Yun, tumama, oh. A left hand to the jaw, bringing down Pangantao.